So, how was your day? Here's a normal day in the office today. Yes, it's been rather exciting. Now this is a Bombay Vanity. Sink obviously goes here. This is going to be a cement countertop, so the challenges were, you can see back at the bottom, I have to cut off the back of the leg to get it to fit, tied up against the wall. If you notice, this has got a curved front. So this is going to be either a granite or cement countertop. Either way, I want to keep the contour of the curve. So what I do is I traced it. I can lay over my template and everything should fit into place. This way when I make my frame, I can use that as my jig. Okay, here's my find on this Kohler portrait, which I used to put a lot of these in, these portrait sinks. They're a good sink. It's $298. They've discontinued it. $499. So figure it's about a $350 sink. Here we got it here. Okay, and it also has the Kohler, excuse me, the Kohler Forte sink line. The faucet. There you go. Great condition. So here's the deal. $350. The faucet goes for $350, so that's $700, and I got it on a Facebook find for $40. There you have it. When you're using a repurposed sink, I don't have a template, so I had to make one. So I basically cut out of cardboard, and I'm gonna go dry fit it on the template for the granite or the concrete, depending on what it's done, and then we'll take it. So the template's in, the cutout's been done, all lined. I've got the template there for the, we're probably gonna go granite now. I don't know what's going on. But mirror, light, vanity. I could bring it forward a little bit, but that's pretty much where it is. We're gonna have to go with a tile, just a 4-inch tile backsplash with a little bullnose, something decorative on top. That'll suffice with a little caulk joint.